Okay, next, back. In the previous video, we have shown you how to using VLOOKUP on Google Spreadsheets, and we got this project from the last tutorial. We can change the project by number like this, and the data will dynamically change based on the data's values. This is our last project. And now we can combine this VLOOKUP with app script, or if you are using Microsoft Excel, using called VBS script, and in the Google Spreadsheet called apps script, we can automatically change the number +1 or -1 rather than we change manually like this. Okay, so in this scenario, we will add the button next and the button back to get the number +1 or -1. How to do that? First, in here, to add the number or to add the button, you need to click insert, okay, and select the drawing. If you're using Microsoft Excel, usually in Microsoft Excel, the button can be activated if you enable developer tab on the ribbon. And in the Google Spreadsheet, we can just drawing the button using, for example, this. Okay, and we can right click and select edit text. For example, in here, we click next, and then we can save and close. Okay, can just justify how big this button, like this, for example. And then we add the second button, drawing again, and we can click this again, and the second is button back. We right click and edit text. Okay, and save and close. Okay, something like this. We will add the button below here. Okay, if we click next, the values of the cell will +1 automatically, and if we click this button, the cell values here -1 automatically. Okay, in the previous project about VLOOKUP, we changed these values is manual like this. We type on the keyboard. Okay, so I think it's not practice. To do this, you need to click extension and select apps script. Okay, I already prepare this script, and you can get this script, the link on pinned comments. Okay, first give the name of your script, for example, add and minus, for example, add minus, just click rename. Okay, delete this function, and this is I will provide this script. Okay, and you can get this script if you want just to copy paste the link on pinned comment. Okay, this is for +1 script. We will try first. Okay, and we need to paste here and change the range of the cell from B1. You can see based on this cell value, this is on I6. Okay, so you can just press I6. Okay, and we can click save project to drive. Okay, then you need to remember this for the function increment value. Okay, and this is just comment for the first line. Increment cell values you must remember or just copy for easy. Okay, and then go to your button next and select three dot menu here and select assign script. Okay, you can paste the increment cell values function. Okay, and click OK here. Now let's try this function works or not. Okay, for the first time use, the authorization is required. Just click OK. You need to log in into your email again. Okay, I will click my email and click advanced and select go to admins. Okay, please click this and you can see you need to allow this and click allow. Okay, after that we can try to click again. Okay, I think this is not like we hope, so we need to check our script again, make sure all the code is not wrong. We already changed the cell I6 and this is make the script not work. You must change the seed because our project using seed 2. Change this to using seed 2. Okay, and we can save this. We also don't need to close this fps2 script. Just let it open like this and back into our project, and let's see. Now it works for next and back. I'm sorry, for next and for back. Let's do for the back. And this script I will explain for a little bit. Okay, if your current cell, the values in here is not using number, it will show the message cell does not contain number. And if number or blank, it will just +1 for the values. We can try if this is using character alphabet. We can click next and it will show the message cell does not contain a number. But if it is blank, it will just +1 like this. Okay, this is just a little bit explanation of the script. And for the second script, okay, this is for minus. We can copy this script and we can put the below here look like this. Okay, I will remove this. This is for the -1 script, and don't forget to change the seed into the seed 2 because we're using seed 2, and because target cell is using a or A6, just this is changed to I6 also. And don't forget to copy the function decrement shell values. Okay, copy this and click save first and assign to button back. Okay, click the button back, select three dot menu here and assign script. Just paste the function decrement cell values, click outside and click OK here. Now running the script. Okay, the decrement values maximum has 0. Okay, if these values not 0, it will show the message you can see cannot be less than 0. We will try to explain later why this data is not appear, because we don't have a 0 data here. Okay, this is our mistake for sheet 1 ago, and you can see our number or our data not base 0, so it in our project in sheet 2 it just using start from 1, but 0 is still number and you can using 0 to track the record. But if you using minus and there is no data for the minus, so we anticipate with the message after 0 is cannot reduce again for the values. Okay, now we successfully using automatic script for +1 and -1 like this. Okay, you can see. Okay, next back. Okay, and we will explain. Okay, for the spreadsheet, if the cell or target values is less than equal to 0, if user try to click back or decrement this value, will show the message here. If else, we'll also check again. If there is not number, it will show the message. After this checking or the conditional is accepted, we just change or -1 for the current values. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to add button, add plus button, add minus button in our Google Spreadsheet. Hope this video helpful for you.